my cakes, but this one has a special place in my heart because it's just so good. My name is Louise and I'm a self-taught cake artist who is obsessed with baking. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create, hands down, the most stunning triple chocolate Halloween cake. You know I love all my cakes, but this one is just next level. It's an all-time favorite of mine, and according to the guests I served it to, it's the best cake they've ever had. So if you're a chocolate lover like me and you want to create a stunning Halloween dessert, I think you're gonna love this one. If you want to see more cake tutorials like this one, I would love if you would take a second to like this video and subscribe to my channel below. The cake consists of a double brownie chocolate cake with hazelnut, milk chocolate crunch with cocoa, milk chocolate ganache, milk chocolate Nutella mousse, mirror glaze, a chocolate ribbon, and a spiky chocolate spire. If you want to learn more about how to elevate your pastries and use the signature decorations that I use in all my cakes, you can check out my chocolate decoration courses that I also have linked here in the description. In the course, I show you how to temper chocolate, how to create my 10 favorite chocolate decorations, how to avoid the most common mistakes when working with chocolate, and how to work with chocolate to elevate the look of your pastries. So, let's bake it!
Slowly melt butter in a small saucepan. Put the saucepan on low heat and add the chocolate. Stir until all the chocolate is melted. Pour the chocolate butter mixture in a bowl and add sugar. Whip the eggs together with a fork in another bowl. Let the dough cool briefly and gradually add the eggs while whipping with a hand whisk. Finally add flour, salt and chopped dark chocolate. Pour the dough in a spring form or pasturing 16 cm diameter with baking paper. Chop the hazelnuts and sprinkle the hazelnut on top of the dough. Bake the brownie for approximately 20 to 23 minutes at 180 degrees. When the brownie has cooled off, place it in a pasturing 16 cm diameter lined with acetate baking sheet at the sides and baking paper at the bottom. Gently level the surface of the brownie a little with a glass. Put the cake in the freezer while preparing the crunch layer. Carefully melt the chocolate in a small saucepan. Put the saucepan aside. Stir in fondant, Nutella, cocoa powder and salt in the chocolate mixture. Spread the crunch on top of the brownie. Level the surface with a glass or spoon. Put the cake back in the freezer. Carefully melt the chocolate and set the chocolate aside in a bowl. Heat heavy cream almost to the boiling point. Remove the pan from the heat and pour the hot mixture over the chocolate while stirring in the center with a rubber spatula until the ganache becomes glossy. Pour the ganache in a jug and hand blend. Pour the ganache on top of the crunch layer. Put the cake back in the freezer where it needs to set completely. Soak gelatin in cold water for 5 to 10 minutes. Carefully melt the chocolate and Nutella in a saucepan and set it aside in a bowl. Heat heavy cream almost to the boiling point. Remove the pan from the heat and whisk in the gelatin. Pour the hot mixture over the chocolate while stirring in the center with a rubber spatula until it comes together. Let it cool to lukewarm. Whip heavy cream to a lightly with foam and fold into the mass that has been cooled to lukewarm. Place the cake mold on a chopping board and a narrow piece of acetate baking sheet inside. Pour the mousse in a silicone mold of 18 cm diameter. Take the frozen cake out of the freezer and gently put it in the chocolate Nutella mousse with the ganache facing downward. Freeze the cake overnight. Soak gelatin in cold water for 5 to 10 minutes. Finely chop the chocolate and put it in a large jug. Heat sugar, water, cream and glucose syrup almost to a boil. Remove the pan from the heat and whisk in the gelatin. Pour the hot mixture over the chocolate in the jug. Hand blend until the glaze comes together and add black food coloring paste. Put cling film on top of the jug and let it cool down to 35-34 degrees. Take the frozen cake out of the freezer just before you are ready to glaze. Place it on a baking cooling rack with baking paper underneath. Pour the glaze over the cake. Use 2 palette knives to run the bottom of the cake around on the rack to remove the glaze excess. Place the cake on a cake platter and let it thaw in the fridge for approximately 6 hours. If you want to learn more about how I create the chocolate decorations for this cake, you can check out my chocolate decoration courses on my website, louiselindbergpastry.com, where I show you how to create my 10 signature chocolate decorations. Place the chocolate ribbon around the cake. Place some crisp pearls with a little melted chocolate on top of the cake and place the chocolate spire on top.
I love all my cakes, but this one has a special place in my heart because it's just so good. Like, I love chocolate, and this triple version is just amazing. I just love the look. Very Halloweeny. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you would like to see more tutorials and guides, make sure to subscribe, like this video, or leave a comment. I would love to hear what you think. You can also check out my website where you can find all my recipes and learn more about my chocolate decoration courses. See you in the next video.